What is the difference between Prophet package and fbprophet in Python?
Hello, here is the Nearson, and we are here to answer your questions in the field of technology.
I googled how to install the fbprophet package, but the top result is how to install Prophet. What is the difference between the two packages? Are they the same?
It's by the same developers. Seems it was just a name change.
So why are there two names for a library?
Prophet is on PYPI, so you can use pip to install it from v06 onwards. Python 2 is no longer supported as of v10. The package name on PYPI is Prophet. Prior to v10 it was fbprophet.
Oh, thanks for your guide. Can I ask you my questions again?
Yes, comment on your questions, and we will answer.